What's up, YouTube? Thank you guys for stopping by my channel and just checking me out. It's been 2 weeks since my last video. So today I'm gonna discuss a little bit more about kind of what I've been doing the past couple weeks and a little bit more about what I'm gonna be learning here with the Odin project. As you can see, I kind of switched the background up a little bit. I'm in a different room in my dining room. My office is looking a little messy. That's where I'm putting my Christmas stuff now. So my wife doesn't find out what I got her. So that explains all of this. So I know in a comment that I recently put in that I was gonna kind of discuss a little bit more in detail, well, kind of what I've been working on and kind of what I'm going to be learning what to do in the Odin project. So basically here, I just have the introduction page open. So just gonna kind of read a little bit, kind of go over briefly a little bit about the Odin project. So it's an open source community. So basically people can come in and kind of add information, helpful things, they can kind of put in there, it's not a closed source community, it's open source, which is something I kind of learned a little bit about in the past couple weeks as well. Open source versus closed source. So it's an open source community. Basically it's set up to help me get familiar with the internet, getting to just know my computer. This week or last couple weeks have really been just the bare basics. A lot of stuff that I already know, but I guess it's still good to go over and to kind of remind myself of. So a lot of just kind of the bare basics of learning just simply about the computer and setting stuff up for future lessons. And in the future, some more stuff that's going to go over is setting up the development environment and learning Git and GitHub. I already set up an account with GitHub and a Discord account as well, which is just a way to kind of communicate with the community and people that are doing the Odin project at this. And also later it's going to get into front-end technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then eventually going into the basic concepts of like back-end technologies and whatnot. So it says by the end of this unit, you should not only understand how the web works, but also be able to identify and differentiate between all the technologies that you will use to build your own web applications. So it's cool. You will be able to build a simple web page, style it, and add minor elements of interactivity while working comfortably from the command line. So it's going to cover a lot. So it's good that we're, again, kind of starting from the basics and learning and just kind of building a little bit from there. The way that some of the course has kind of been a little bit, in order to learn some of the computer basics and stuff like that, there's links that you click on that go to a different web page that basically has videos and different illustrations that kind of help you understand some of those things. So far it's been pretty good. It's been pretty helpful. It's not as interactive as the last course I was taking, Python for Everybody. It's very self-paced and you kind of have to hold yourself accountable for finishing things. Because if I wanted, you could just go to the end of each page, click mark to read, basically, or you could just go through and not answer the questions and move on. But again, the point of being here is to learn and to build upon the knowledge that I've gained thus far. So there's really no purpose in doing that. You don't want to do that. So something else new that I'm going to start doing, plan on working a little less on an extra day in the week to where I can have more time to dedicate to the course as well. So now I'll hopefully have at least 3 to 4 days that I can be able to dedicate some time to this course, and not only to get done with it quicker, just to be able to spend more time on it and not feel so rushed and pressured when I do have time to work on the course. I think that'll just help me a lot. It'll help kind of concrete ideas and concrete things and cement things in my mind and head with this course, and make it seem more like a legitimate in-person course in a sense, you know. So yeah, plan on trying to dedicate more time to working on this, and like I said, hopefully little by little, again, I just continue to learn more and more and just pile up on the information that I've been learning. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out my video. Thank you for all of you who have kind of kept up with my progress and just kept up with my journey so far in coding. We're getting there little by little. Just consistency, and in time we'll get there for sure. Thank you again, guys, for stopping by. I'll have another video out in about 2 weeks to just kind of update you guys on what I've learned so far. I mean, up to that point, from now up to that point. And again, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video or dislike, whatever you want to do. Really don't matter. It's okay. See you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.